Everybody knows sweet. Battles and wars have been fought over sweet. We love it, but that doesn't necessarily mean we know how to use it in a cocktail properly. Hi, I'm Derek Schomer, host of Common Man Cocktails, also the owner of AwesomeDrinks.com. You can find more 3-minute educational videos just like this one at AwesomeDrinks.com/3. So not all sugars are created equal. There was a pun in there, I think. They're based on the degrees BRIX. That's the sugar content in an aqueous solution, so like sugar water. 1 degree BRIX is 1 gram of sucrose in 100 grams of solution, and it represents the strength of that solution as a percentage of mass. All of those sound scientifically crazy. Let's just worry about the scale. There's a BRIX scale. It's not exactly 100% accurate, but it gives you an idea of where your sugars fall. So let's take a scale someplace between 30 and about 88, maybe 90. 90 super sweet, 30 not so sweet. Simple syrup is 48 BRIX, give or take, for a single straight-on simple syrup. 1 part sugar, 1 part water. Rich simple syrup, such as this guy here, I believe this is rich, that falls at about 64 BRIX. But maple syrup is someplace between 66 and 70. Rock candy syrup is someplace between 70 and 80. And rock candy syrup, as you see with rock candy, also known as rich or super rich simple syrup, or given another name, really freaking sweet, often used in tiki cocktails. It's what you can hang a string in and make sugar crystals for rock candy. It's about 3-to-1 water to sugar. Obviously 3 sugar. Above rock candy is agave nectar. Bet you didn't see that coming. Honey, 80 to 88. The sweetest on the list. But wait, we didn't include Splenda is 600 times sweeter than sugar. So if rich simple syrup is 48 and you used Splenda instead, 600 times sweeter. So that's way over honey. Equal is 200 times sweeter than sugar. This is one of the reasons I don't use any of those products when making cocktails. But if you are, keep what I just said in mind. It's going to make a difference. So if you're doing 2-on-1, 2 parts of spirit, 1 part of sugar, 1 part of lime, in a margarita, picking an agave nectar versus a rich simple syrup versus a regular simple syrup is going to change your balance. You're going to need more lime, or you're going to need less sugar, or you're going to need more alcohol in order to make it taste right. Otherwise, it's either going to be super sweet or super sour. And if the recipe you have calls for agave nectar and you don't have agave nectar, so you're using sugar, keep that in mind. You're going to need to push up the sugar amount. And if you're looking to count calories, 600 times sweeter, it's going to make a big difference in your drink. And you're going to find rock candy called for more in tiki cocktails because the alcohol is up there. So what's your favorite sugar? Write it down below. Down in the corner, Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit. You can check it out at AwesomeDrinks.com, along with more of these videos at AwesomeDrinks.com/3. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.